we celebrate Diwali. So it's a very long story, but I'm going to summarize it. So once upon a time, there was a king named Dashrath, and he lived with his 3 wives and his 4 sons. Their names were Ram, Lakshman, Bharat and Shatrughan. So Ram was the eldest, and one of the queens was jealous of Ram. She didn't want him to become king. She wanted her son to become a king. So she asked for 2 wishes from the king. That was Dashrath. Those 2 wishes were that she wanted her son to become king. That was Bharat. And she wanted Ram to go for exile for 14 years. So Ram went for exile, and one day while he was at exile, there was this demoness named Supnakha, and she was roaming around in the forest, and she saw Ram, and she was mesmerized and charmed by his beauty. So she disguised herself as a beautiful woman, and she went to Ram and asked him if he wanted her to marry him. So Ram said no, but he said that maybe my brother Lakshman will say yes. So she went to Lakshman and asked him to marry, but he said no, and then she became furious and then came into a normal form. And then Lakshman shot off her nose and she went crying back to her brother, that was Ravan. And then Ravan became furious, and then he planned for revenge. He kidnapped Sita with the help of another demon. And then, while Ram was searching for him, he came upon an army of monkeys and bears. And there was one monkey that was no ordinary monkey. He was named Hanuman, and he was himself the Rudra avatar of Lord Shiva himself. So he could change forms and fly across oceans, and he could do all kinds of stuff. With the help of the army, they crossed a huge ocean, and then they fought Ravan and his army, and then only Ravan was left. And then Ram finally defeated Ravan into the ashes. And then his exile was completed, and then he came back to Ayodhya, and then the people of Ayodhya were so happy. They celebrated with lights and lamps and diyas, and they also celebrated with few flowers to welcome Sri Ram. So that's